Our third tip is to use a natural tone of voice. Using a natural tone of voice is crucial in the context of medical affairs as it helps to keep your listeners engaged and attentive to your message. When communicating in a natural tone, you convey confidence, credibility, and professionalism. It's essential to change your pitch and intonation appropriately to add emphasis and interest to your speech. For instance, when presenting important data or key findings, you can slightly raise your pitch to highlight their significance. On the other hand, when discussing more technical or complex information, using a slightly lower and more measured tone can convey a sense of authority and expertise. Maintaining a natural and relaxed tone of voice is also vital. It helps to create a comfortable and approachable atmosphere, fostering effective communication with your colleagues, clients, or stakeholders. Avoid sounding overly rehearsed or robotic, and instead let your personality shine through while maintaining your professionalism. Furthermore, it's crucial to match your tone with the content of your message. For example, when discussing patient outcomes or sensitive medical issues, adopting a compassionate and empathetic tone can convey your dedication to patient care. Conversely, when delivering concise or objective information, a more neutral and informative tone may be appropriate. By incorporating these techniques into your communication, you'll improve your ability to engage and connect with your stakeholders, fostering more meaningful and impactful interactions.